Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you a default project in CodeIgniter. It's very hard to write code every time from beginning or from scratch. If we have some making code, then we can focus in our main project. And suppose if we have the login system, register, logout, and with some predefined template, we can modify this according to our need, and we can continue our main project. As default, generally we have profile, country, company, user. I'm gonna show you those step by step. This is the login system. Login, forget password, register, every time we don't need to write code for this. I'm gonna log in now. We got a dashboard. Profile, logout, users, company, country. Generally, we need those in every project. I'm gonna show you the coding structure. This is the controller. Landing or home controller. This is the view, form, details, index, layout for admin, body, footer, header, web menu. We don't need to write those code. If we waste time here to write code from beginning, we lose our time. We can focus our main project. Top navigation, models, login model, user model, and our template is here. We can use this in public folder. The default project I have uploaded into GitHub. Thanks for watching this tutorial.